Welcome to our channel. Now we can learn today integration object type questions for IIT and JEE and MSET. Now first one, it is here integration 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x dx is equal to how much? Now here given options are, four options are given. First option is the A, that means 2 tan x minus 2 sec x minus x plus c, tan x plus sec x plus c, c tan x plus 2 sec x plus c, d tan x minus 2 sec x plus c. Now it is integration 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x, multiply and divided by 1 minus sin x here, and that means integration 1 minus sin x whole square. Now denominator is the 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x. Now it is answer is the 1 minus sin square x dx. Now it is answer is 1 minus sin x whole square. Open at this bracket. Now it is the a minus b whole square form. We know that a minus b whole square, answer is the a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now write it is answer is the 1 minus 2ab, that means 2 sin x plus sin square x. Now denominator is the 1 minus sin square x, answer we know that cos square x. Now dx. Now split here, that means 1 by cos square x dx minus 2 sin x by denominator is the cos square x. Cos square x, write down cos x and cos x dx plus here in sin square x by cos square x and dx. Now write it is answer. We know that 1 by cos square x, answer is the sec square x minus 2 integration sin by cos, answer we know that tan x, cos x answer 1 by cos x, answer write down it is answer is the sec x and sin x by cos x, answer is the tan x dx plus integration. We know that sin square x by cos square x, answer is the tan square x. Now tan square x dx. Now here write down it is the, we know that here. Now look here, write down integration sec square x dx as it is minus 2 into, we know that integration sec x tan x dx, and integration sec x tan x, answer is we know that sec x. Now plus we don't know tan square x dx, change it to sec square. Now write it is answer is the integration sec square x minus 1 into dx. We know that here integration sec square x answer. Here sec square x, here also 1 sec square x. Now both are same sign, that means plus. Now add it, and 2 into integration sec square x dx minus 2 into sec x. Now here plus into minus, minus 1 into integration dx, and minus 1 and dx. Now write it is the constant is the plus. Now 2 into, we know that integration sec square x dx, answer is the tan x minus 2 into sec x minus integration dx, answer is the x plus c. Now it is the answer. Now 2 tan x minus 2 sec x minus x plus c is the, a is the option. Now here 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 4, 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 4 is the answer. Now here remaining here integration 1 minus x to the power of 1 by 4 into dx. Now write it is integration 1 into dx minus integration x to the power of 1 by 4 into dx. We know that integration dx, answer is the x, integration it is the x to the power of n model. We know that x power n, answer is equal to into dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now apply here integration dx, answer is the minus x by, here nx substitute is the 1 by 4, and x to the power of 1 by 4 plus 1 by denominator is the 1 by 4 plus 1 plus c. Now x minus x to the power of 1 by 4 plus 1, answer is the 5 by 4, and x to the power of 5 by 4. Here denominator also 4 plus 1, 4 into 1, 4 plus 1 is the 5, and 5 by 4 plus c. Now here x is equal to, now denominator 4 will be go to numerator, that means x minus 4 by 5 x to the power of 5 by 4 plus c. It is the answer. Now x minus 4 by 5 x to the power of 5 by 4 plus c. Now it is the A is the option. Now next one, integration 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3x, 3 to the power of x. Now 3 to the power of 3 power x, 3 power x dx. Now let here 3 to the power of 3 power x is equal to t. Now both side apply the log here. Now that means here log 3 to the power of 3 power x is equal to log t. Now here 3 power x log 3 is equal to log t. Both side apply derivative with respect to x. Derivative with respect to x. Now it is the 3 power x, derivative answer is the 3 power x into log 3. Now here log 3 write down as it is. Now is equal to log t. Derivative is the answer is 1 by t dt. Now here 3 power x into here dx, 3 power x dx answer is the 1 by log 3 into log 3 and log 3 whole square and t into log 3 whole square and dt. Now 3 to the power of x dx answer is the dt by t into log 3 whole square. Substitute there. Now it is answer is integration. It is the 3, right as it is. We know that it is total answer is equal to 3 power x. Answer is the t. Now it is answer is the t. Now here look here 3 power x dx answer is the this one. Now 3 to the power of 3 power x answer is the t and t, here also t. Now it is answer. Next 3 power x dx answer is equal to this one and it is answer is the dt by t of log 3 whole square. Now here tt cancel. Now log 3 is the constant, write down is the front of integration and log 3 whole square integration, here 3 power t dt. Now here 1 by log 3 whole square into, it is the integration a power x dx method. We know that integration a power x dx answer is the a power x by log a. Now it is answer is the, that means 3 power t by log a, that means log 3 plus c. Now it is answer is the 3 power t into 1, 3 power t. T answer we know that this one 3 to the power of 3 power x and 3 to the power of 3 power x by denominator is the t. Denominator is the log 3 whole square into log 3, that means log 3 whole cube plus c. Now it is answer is the 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3 power x. It is the first answer. Or now look here, it is the second answer and it is the second one. Option is the second one, 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3 power x by log 3 whole cube plus c. Now if di by dy is equal to 3 to the power of cos y sin y, then I is equal to 100. Now first one is given here, di by dy is equal to 3 to the power of cos y and sin y. Now we want here I value. Now both side apply the integration. Now integration of di by dy is equal to integration, both side apply integration with respect to y, that means like this. Now here integration 3 to the power of cos y and sin y and dy. Now here I apply here derivative and integration. Now it is answer is the I only here. Now let here it is the 3 to the power of cos y sin y dy here. Now let here cos y answer is equal to t. Now let here cos y is equal to t. Now derivative with respect to now y not t. Now cos y derivative answer we know that minus sin y and dy is equal to t derivative with respect to y dt. Now it is answer is the sin y dy is equal to minus dt. Now apply here integration 3 to the power of cos y answer is the t and sin y dy answer is the minus dt. Now minus dt. Now I is equal to minus integration 3 to the power of t dt. Now I is equal to, we know that it is answer is the integration a power x formula. We know that integration a power x answer is the a power x by log a. X substitute is the 3, x substitute is the t. Now it is answer is the 3 minus 3 to the power of x, that means 3 to the power of t, by denominator is the log 3 plus c. Now I is equal to minus, we know that t answer is equal to cos y, and it is answer 3 to the power of cos y by log 3 plus c. Now I answer is equal to this one. Now look the options, minus 3 cos to the power of y plus log 3. Options are wrong. Look there, here first one here. Now it is the second. Now here minus. Now it is the B is the option. Now B is the answer. Now if integration e power x minus 1 by e power x plus 1 dx is equal to how much? Now given integration e power x minus 1 by e power x plus 1 into dx. Now first to do here, split the here. Now it is done like this. Now e power x by e power x plus 1 dx. Now minus 1 by e power x plus 1 into dx. Now here add plus 1 and minus 1 here. Now it is the meaning here, integration e power x plus 1 minus 1, denominator is the e power x plus 1 into dx, minus here 1 by e power x plus 1 into dx. Now here also split there here. Now here e power x plus 1 by e power x plus 1. Now it is answer is the 1, minus 1 by e power x plus 1, and 1 by e power x plus 1 into dx, minus here 1 by e power x plus 1 into dx. Now write it is answer is the integration 1 into dx, answer is the dx, minus here 1 by e power x plus 1, here also minus 1 by e power x plus 1, both are add here, both are same sign, here minus add here. Now 2 integration 1 by e power x plus 1 into dx. Now we know that integration dx answer is the minus x. Now write integration dx answer is x, minus 2 into, now write it is answer is the e power minus x by e power minus x plus 1 into dx, both are same here. Now here look there, or e power x common or e power minus x, write like this. Now look there, here it is answer is 1 by e power x plus 1 is given here. Now take e power x denominator common, and e power x is the common. Now 1 plus 1 by e power x. Now e power x will be go to numerator, that means e to the power of minus x. Now here 1 plus here 1 by e power x, answer we know that e to the power. Next, now write it is here x minus 2 into, it is the f dash x by f of x dx formula. We know that it is answer is the f dash x by f of x dx is equal to log of f of x. Now here look, there is f of x substitute here 1 plus e to the power of minus x. One derivative is the 0, e power x derivative, e power minus x derivative, e power minus x derivative is the minus 1, and right here plus. Now write like this also, here it is the plus, right here minus. Now it is answer is the 2 log of here denominator, and 1 plus e to the power of minus x, now plus c. Next one, write it is x plus 2 log of, now write it is equal to 1 plus, now write it is answer is the 1 by e power x plus c. Now write it is x plus 2 log of, now it is answer is the e power x plus 1 by e power x plus c. Next one, x plus 2 log of, it is the log a by b method. Now that is the answer, log e power x plus 1 minus 2 log e, 2 log of e power x plus c. Now here log e answer is the, we know that 1, and it is answer 2x. Now here 2x, it is the x minus 2x, answer is the minus x, and now it is answer 2 log of e power x plus 1 minus x plus c. Now it is the answer. Now look there here, it is the right here minus only. Now 2 into log e to the power of x, 2 log of e power x plus 1 minus x plus c. Now it is the c is the option.
డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్ లింక్ ఉంటుంది, ఆ ఛానల్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. మీకు షార్ట్ కట్స్, మోడల్ పేపర్స్ అండ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ పీడిఎఫ్ రూపంలో లభించును.